What's up, YouTube? What's up? What's up? We changed the picture for the stream. One sec. We shall use. I don't know, man. Maybe it's like maybe some of this, some of that. Let's use this one. Oops. This is a cool drawing, honestly. Um, Alright. Let's open VS Code. My saving grace is that there will be no my saving grace is that there will be no um thing this time. No Sudoku blocks this time. Because goddamn. Why is it not appearing? Uh, let us just transform, fit the screen. Let's go here, transform, fit the screen. Oh, 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 that's not good noise. I don't know. What was that noise? Um, okay. Okay, yeah, that's interesting. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, or why are we not, like, linked. Now, um, I don't know what is going on. Okay, let's go. So what's happening? Using a dictionary. Be familiar with dictionary data structure. It's a data structure, I think. Is that the same thing as a data type? You'll be able to use a dictionary with different types of keys and values. You will know how to traverse through the contents of the dictionary. Uh, Dictionary with different types of keys and values. You will know how to traverse through the contents of the dictionary. You'll be able to name some typical use cases for dictionaries. Lists can be handy in many situations, but they are limited by the fact that the items are accessed through indexes 0, 1, 2, and so forth. If you want to find some item in a list, you will either have to know its index or at worst traverse through the entire list. Correct. Another central data structure in Python is the dictionary. In dictionaries, the items are indexed by keys. Each key maps to a value. The value stored in the dictionary can be accessed and changed using the key. By keys, each key maps to a value. The values stored in the dictionary can be accessed and changed by using that key. The following example shows you how the dictionary data structure works. Here's a simple dictionary from finished English. So we're saying my dictionary is this. It's empty right now. And then we can put in uh, my dictionary Apina equals to monkey. My dictionary Banani equals to banana. My dictionary Sambalo equals to harpsichord. Harpsichord. And then we can print out the length of my dictionary, which is going to be monkey banana. No, okay. Apina monkey, banani banana, Sambalo harpsichord. And if I said print my dictionary Apina, then it would give us monkey. So now, what is the key and what is the value? I mean, since we inputted this and we got the value monkey, I'm guessing these are the keys. Because we did set finished English, right? So the notation creates an empty dictionary to which we can add content. So three key value pairs are added. Apina maps to monkey, banana maps to banana, and so on. Find the number of key value pairs in the dictionary is printed along with the entire dictionary. Oh, okay, it's 3. Okay. So how many values are there? 3 key value pairs. The number of key value pairs. It's never just value, it's key value pairs. Along with the entire dictionary and the value mapped to the key, Apina. So Apina is the key. Okay. After defining the dictionary, we can also use it with the user input. So word input, please type in a word. If word in my dictionary, print translation, my dictionary word, else print word not found. When we say word in my dictionary, are we sifting through the keys or are we sifting through the values? Notice the use of in. Oh, this is not a for loop, sorry. You know the word use of the operator in? When used on a variable outside dictionary, it checks whether the first operand is among the keys stored in the dictionary. Given different inputs, the program might print out the following. So yeah, so it is looking through the keys, not looking through the values. So it's looking for the word. So if we do the Pina word, it's going to be looking through the words if there's a key called a Pina, and if there is a key called a Pina, then it's going to give us the value for that key. Okay. What can be stored in a dictionary? The data type is called dictionary, but it does not have to only contain strings. For example, in the following dictionary, the keys are strings, but the values are integers. Here are the keys. Here the keys are integers, and the values are lists. Yeah. How keys and values work. Each key can appear only once in the dictionary. If you add an entry using a key that already exists, the original value mapped to that key is replaced with a new value. So if I said Suri was big, and then I said that Suri was large, then if we print out Suri, then it will be large. All keys in dictionary must be immutable, so a list cannot be used as a key because it can be changed. For example, executing the following code causes an error. Unhashable type. Notice the word unhashable in the error message above. This is a reference to the inner workings of the dictionary data type. Python stores the contents of a dictionary in a hash table. Each key is reduced to a hash value, which is then which determines where the key is stored in the computer memory. Which determines where the key is stored in data memory. Computer memory. The error message above indicates that the list cannot be processed into a hash value, so it cannot be used as a key in the dictionary. The data structures and algorithm courses will further explore hash tables. Unlike keys, the values stored in a dictionary can change. Yes, so any type of data is acceptable as a value. A value can also be mapped to more than one key in the same dictionary. Yeah, as I would expect. Okay. 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 Man, I've written so much code. Oh shit. Like, bro. I've like actually written so much code. It's crazy. Like, that's a lot of code. I mean, and it's kind of cool. Like you wouldn't expect like that, but yeah. Huh. Okay. Why is my computer so slow? I don't know. But you know, we die. We love, we lie. So these are a function called times 10 which creates and returns a new dictionary. Returns. The keys of the dictionary should be the numbers between start index and end index. The values mapped to each should be the key times 10. Okay. So times 10, that times 10, we'll say, let's use the things that they're saying. Okay, so we'll make a dictionary. So I just call it dict1 equals to this, and then we'll say um, this is interesting. So we'll say I is equals to start index. Okay. Um, I kind of started something else. Yeah.
You will just apply, give your detail and apply.
I was looking at the requirements. I fulfill everything, and then yeah. Okay, I will right now. Sorry. Sorry. But Abu did not call back. How would I do this? I mean, is it just finding the length between this and this? So would it just be range 5? So while I is going to be less than or equals to end index. Um, what was it? Dict. The key is God, that guy's so annoying. Why? Eddie, bruh. Money. Money.
Still on it.
Every day I do one part. Like every day I do one part of Banyana, or at least I try to.
I didn't finish yesterday's video.
Yeah, me
Halfway
neither.
finished.
Are you still on intensive? Are you first episode of intensive too, or second? No.
I didn't
Stop!
finish it though.
Stop
See,
it!
you're slow. I can't help it.
I want to watch the videos with you. I want to watch. 9. See, I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. I'll skip the episodes.
You have to. 9, 10 is the most important one.
Ah,
It's quite simple,
who
though.
cares about Phil?
You finish, huh?
Who cares about Phil?
Like half the Quran.
Stupid. I times 10 is equals to I. I times 10 is equals to I. Is this correct? Okay, hold on. I'm inputting a key and I get a thing. So Suri is the key. Okay, so I times 10 is the key. Do I want I times 10 to be the key? Which creates and return the key should be the numbers, and the value should be, okay, so this is I times 10, and this is going to be I. And then I want to do I plus equals to 1. Okay, that should be it. Fatima. Oh, and then I want to return.
Hello?
What do I want to return? I want to return lamb. Yeah. Okay. What do you want me to do? Okay. BRB. Returns the factorial numbers of 1 to n in a dictionary if the number is the key and the factorial of that number is mapped to it. Okay, so I say like and I is equals to 1. Actually, do I need to do it? Um, okay, will that be okay so far? Uh, Hello. Uh, oh, sorry. No, obviously that wouldn't work. 0. Um, okay, so it starts from 0. How do I make it not start from 0? Uh, I forgot. Was it like, okay, there it is. Start, stop, step. So, so start, I want to start from 1. Stop, I want to stop at n. So, like this. Step should be 1. Range 4 would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this should give me 120. 120. It gives me 24. Okay, because it's going 1 to 4. Okay, so let's just do n plus 1. 120. Okay, perfect. So now I won't return num, but I will say that diction is equals to this, and we will say um, diction n is equals to num, right? Yes. So then we will return. Do I need to return anything actually? Will I return diction? What do I return? Yeah, I don't need to return anything. I don't think so. Wait, what? We're putting the key there, and as we put in the key, it should make it? Key is factorial 5. So it'll make it for numbers 1 to 5. Ah, I'm sorry. Okay. Um uh can I just say diction I is equals to num? Because it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals to the num, which should be like what I think it is. Okay, let's try. No. Um can I try doing return diction? Is that the problem? It is the problem. So I need to return the dictionary for it to be used. Okay. I think I need to restart my computer. It is it's so slow. Uh it's bad. It's quite bad. Okay, come on. Traversing a dictionary, the familiar four item inflection that can be used to traverse a dictionary too. When used on the dictionary directly, the loop goes through the keys stored in the dictionary. Yeah, that's what I know. One by one, and for example, all keys and values stored in the dictionary are printed out. So we define what the dictionary is, and then I say for key in my dictionary, print key, and then print the value by saying my dictionary key. Okay, yeah. But it will go through only the keys initially. To get the values, then we have to do it like manually, my dictionary key. Sometimes you need to traverse the entire contents of a dictionary, the method items, return all keys and values stored in the dictionary one pair at a time. For key value in my dictionary items, uh, wait, what? So items is both the key and the value in a pair. So if I say key comma value, will it like know? Because this is a for loop with two things. I don't think I've ever done that. In the examples above, you may have noticed that the keys are processed in the same order as they were out in the dictionary. As the keys are not processed based on hash value, the order should not usually matter in applications. In fact, in many older versions of Python, the order is not guaranteed to follow the time of insertion. Some more advanced ways of okay, wait, hold on. What about this? I feel like we're just kind of glossing over this. The method items returns all the keys and values stored in the dictionary one pair at a time. Key value. Okay. I guess. Let's look at a list of words. Okay. There's 2 sour milks. There's 2 beers. 200 cigarettes. We would like to analyze this list of words in different ways. For instance, we would like to know how many times each word appears in the list. A dictionary can be a useful tool in managing this kind of information. In the example below, we go through the items in the list one by one. Using the words in the list as keys in the new dictionary, a value mapped to each key is the number of times the word has appeared. I see. And that's kind of creative. So if the value mapped to each key is the number, so we make the key the word, and if we find that key again, then we will just simply make the val. So if we see a new key, then the value will initially be 1. And if we see that key again, then we'll just increase the value of that key that we already had by 1 and just keep going. So if I set def counts my list, words is okay, so we have a list of words. For word in my list, if the word is not in the dictionary, if word not in words, if word not in words, if word not in the dictionary words, then word equals to 0. Words word plus equals to 1, return words. Return the list of words. Counts word list. Counts gives us the both of them, right? No, that's items. Counts, what does a counts do? Counts tells us how many times each key appeared by telling us the key and the value, I guess? I don't know. Interesting. Becca is going to be mad. She is going to get on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp. If word not in words, then make a dictionary thing for it. Full word in my list. If word not in words, and assign that, and also increase the value plus 1. So this is another way of saying if or else. Right? Okay, plus 1 that value. What if you want to categorize? Oh my god. What if you want to categorize? Oh god. দাদু, তুমি ওখানে বসতে পারবে না, কি এখানে বসো। Okay, I think you can still hear me. Okay. Okay, so categorizing the words based on the initial letter in each word. One way to accomplish this would be to use dictionaries. Def categorized by initial my list. Groups is the empty thing. For word in my list, initial equals to word 0. So the first word, what do you mean word 0? You're making a new list? Initial equals to word 0, but word 0 is, what is word 0? I've never done this before. So is technically like word, the variable word is also just a list which has the same exact thing as my list. So if I say initial equals to word 0, we're initializing a new list when the letter is when the letter is first encountered. Oh, word 0, that means the first letter of the word. Okay. Now, if that initial is not in the groups yet, then we will make a groups and we'll put the initial first letter and equate it to a list, an empty list. Groups initial dot append word. That is such a long thing. Groups initial dot append word. So we will, oh, okay, we append the word of which the first letter is the key, right? Yes. Then we return groups, and the groups equals to categorize by initial for key value in groups items. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Print words beginning with key for word in value. For word in value. Print word. The value is going to be the words, and so we say with the words beginning with the first letter, let's say O, then we would have orange, ombigo, opoland, or office, orifice, orifice. Okay, makes sense. This is a cool thing. Okay, the structure of the function is very similar to the previous exercises, but this time the values mapped to the keys are lists. Yes, the program prints out the following. I'm scared what they're gonna ask us to do. So feature a function named histogram, which takes a string as its argument. The function should print out a histogram representing the number of times each letter occurs in the list. That each occurrence of the letter should be represented by a star in a specific line for that letter. Okay, so and we print that out. We don't return it. So So what we do is for letter in a word, we can say freak equals to, actually I don't know if we need to do that. Um, for letter in word, will it know I'm trying to go letter by letter? I don't know. Print letter. Is it str? Oh, it does. Okay, done. Okay, fine, sure. Um, if letter not in uh dictionaries, we do have to do that. So what do we call the dictionary? Um, it's called frequency. So if it's not in frequency, then we'll say frequency letter equals to um, string, and then we will say frequency letter um, plus equals to this. Um, and then uh, we'll print, what do you print? We print out, um, no, it's gonna have to be in the list. Um, would we have to make a new list? No, it just stops here. What? How do you do that? Um, whoa. Okay, we can just go through the dictionary. So for uh, dic for frequency, for key and frequency, um, print um, key, frequency, key. Oh man, oh man, I'm so smart statistically. Dude, I just made this oh god, okay. Feels good, feels good, feels freaking good. Unless it doesn't work. But it does. Phone, but oh dear god. Oh dear god. Okay, we've gone through halfway already. Stream has been only an hour long, I think. Let's see. Yeah, 50 minutes. Not bad, not bad. Let's see. Hopefully we can finish this under 2 hours today. So these are the phone book application. It should work as follows. So we say it first asks us command 1, 2, or 3. If I say 2 and okay, so we're adding Peter and number. It asks us what the name is, what the number is, and then it prints okay after it's done. Then I'll ask what command it is. I want to add again, so we do the same thing. Okay. Now I want to search. Search for which name? Peter. And then it prints out the number. I want to search again for Mary. No number. Then I want to add Peter, number. Then I want to search for Peter, number, and it replaces the number that we originally put in. Okay. And then I want to quit, and it just says quitting. Now, does the number have to be a specific number of letters? Do I need to care about that? I mean, I don't think so, actually. As you can see, each name can only be attached to a single number only. Yep. If a new entry is added with the same name, the number attached should, yeah, okay. Doesn't seem too hard. So there is no function here, right? So, okay, what do we need to do? So, okay, so command equals to input, or was it int? I guess it is int. Input. I haven't used the input thing in so long, because it's usually just been functions. Okay, a command is equals to okay. So I want to input it. So first of all, I want to make a list and a dictionary. Let's call that phone book equals to this. So then I want to input, let's say name and number, right? So name is equals to, do we even need to do that? Can't I just say, um, can I do that? Wait, let's just do it like this. So name is equals to input name, number is equals to int input number. Then I say name and number, yeah. So phone book name is equals to number. And then I say, when I print, okay. And if command is equals to 1, then I say, what is the name that you're looking for? Do I want to change the value of name? We can, right? But might as well just be careful. So name, we'll just call it search name. So input, and then if search name in phone book, because that is the key, right? So then uh, print um, print phone book search name, else um, print no number. Okay, that should be it. So I said 2 Bob 1 2 3. Oh crap. Okay, sorry. Um. Okay, yeah, my bad. It has to be in a loop. I forgot. So it's funny. Um, this is gonna just mean a while loop, right? And just say a break if it's 3. So if I just say while true, and then I just keep everything here tabbed up 1, and I can just put this one back here. 2 Bob 1 2 3. Oh, it's making us do the thing again. Whoa. Do I say continue then after that? How do I exit the loop? How did I exit the loop before? Um. Oh crap! It's because this is not here. Now would it work? What? Okay. Bob. No. What if I put Bob here? Okay, good. That's good. So 2 Bob 23. Nice. Okay, 2 Emily 321 and Joe. Oh. Ah. Joe. It has to be a number. So we'll just say like this. Search Joe search. What was the first name that I wrote? Wow. Search Emily. Okay, good. Now if I change, let's say Emily's number to 999. Search Emily 999. Okay, that's it. That should be it. Ooh, what do you mean? Make sure the program stops with input 2, marry this, 1, marry 3. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on? Did I pass anything? Yeah?
Now clear with us.
Yes?
This is not
Yes?
This is not compulsory.
Yes?
The prayer is compulsory.
Right. I'm
We
sorry.
should even pray yet.
Sorry.
I don't 1.5 hour again.
Crap. Yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Oh, you're right. You're right. Oh, crap. Uh, you are right. You are so right about that. 2, marry. Blah, 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 blah. 1, marry 3. What? What are you talking about? It ends. It ends. It literally ends. It literally ends though. What? Well, I'm confused. Maybe I'm misunderstanding what it asks. Um, am I tripping? Okay, is it doing what it's supposed to do? Name Mary. Okay, yeah, let's see. Okay, so com com command 1 search, 2 add, 3 quit, 2 name. Is it because there's no space in between there? Maybe that could be. I ain't taking no chances. So it'll be this. Okay. Anything else? To marry number. There is a space between number as well. Okay. Then command 1 namespace. No number. Okay. Does that do it? Nope. Um, I don't know what to tell you, man. 3 is supposed to just 3 not put it. I'm so confused. Do I ask the Discord for help? Like, I'm kind of confused here. Um, 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 On the other hand, chess is now more popular than ever. Lol. Bickering Potato 87. I'm about to resume college here. So it's like this guy is pretty old, I'm guessing. That's the most edgy name ever. Square root. God damn. Thanks, bro. It worked. God, what is that profile picture? Just finished part 5 more list section. Man, that was a grind. Took me almost 3 hours to finish it. The Sudoku problems took most of the time. Seems like the problems were gotten just got harder, and my brain was like, what the hell? Was more lists the first one, or yeah? Oh, did I not? Oh, crap! I need to. Let me take a better screenshot because this is not a very good screenshot. There. Oh, 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 oh. I'm dumb. I'm actually really smart, but it's okay. My smartness was just too much. This chat was so highly intellectual. I thought he would reply to this. Did he just make his account? He did, I'm guessing. Oh, it's not gonna say. think the mistake issue comes with as a variable and insert string or word. This causes issue because string is also function used to convert data into string type. Oh yeah, it is. That's why. I don't know if you need any more help, but this applies to other types too. Yeah. While I agree that the name as built-in is never a good idea, I don't believe it's a problem in this case. This program continues to infinite loop. Change to S. God damn, so much text here, bro. Just figure it out. How many days before the advanced course should I submit the final exercise? I have already a working version of my own game. I think it complies with all the criteria, but I would like to make it even better, extend functionality, optimize code, etc. The deadline is 8 a.m. UTC plus 3 on the day of the exam. This includes making your peer reviews. I thought other members should also review my submission before I do the exam. There's no guarantee that anyone will review your game, so it wouldn't make sense. So it wouldn't make sense to have that as a prerequisite. I could post a link to a YouTube video of the working version as it is right now, if that is appropriate. Is that the required method for peer review? It's not. You get a choice between several randomly chosen games from other students. Although I just uploaded my final game, part 14, and um, post posted the link to the via dedicated form. Unfortunately, I realized that I didn't leave any instructions for the player. Is it possible to add this feature for the game and re-upload it? Will it change the link to the code? Oh crap! Poor guy. Dude, that sounds like an actual problem. Oh, this guy posted in both channels. EM needs help, bro. He needs help. Okay, that's what he said. Hey, when I click TMC from the sidebar of VS Code, in which TMC is written that it's downloading TMC lines at the bottom right every time, it consumes a lot of my mobile data. Oh shit! Why does it not just download once instead of writing the same every time I click on the TMC? Please answer in detail. I even tried offline, but the extension was not initialized properly. However, when connected to the internet, then it says it consumes a lot of data after consumption. My course is finally opening, but I can't withstand so much data consumption every time just to submit an exercise. Tell me after closing VS Code and then opening it some days later, then it's downloading every time. Oh my god, it's English. But yeah, I did go through the same issue. Tell me after closing VS Code and then opening it someday later, then is downloading TMC langs every time and so much data consumption a normal behavior. Oh, tell me if this is a normal behavior. Yeah, that happens to me too. I want to answer, but I'm kind of scared he's gonna just like I don't know, just get summoned in my house and kills me or something. I would rather not go through that. Did I do this one? Yeah, I did. Man, good times when I used to do the exercises inside the thing. Good times, part three was it? Just two parts away. Damn, damn, damn. Okay. Shit, 3 p.m. bro. I need to pray, dude. We've been streaming for how many hours? 1 hour 20. Oh god. Surely I can just complete this real quick, right? Surely I could do this right now. Surely. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Should work exactly as above, but this time all numbers attached to the name should be printed. So basically I just need to see if it's already present. And if it already is present, then we just append to it, right? So no. Uh, 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 yeah, I think so. So like, right, and so then first you would have to check. Um, would this be a list? It'd be a list, right? That's the only way we can store it. So if name not in phone book, um, phone what would it be? Uh, yeah, phone book name equals to this, and is it phone book name dot append number? Is that it? Is that it? Oh. What are we thinking about this? Okay, and then if you searched it, if it's yeah, then it would give me the list, but we don't want it to give me a list of two numbers. I mean, okay, let's try it. So two, Bob, 1, 2, 3, phone book, dog, phone book, two, Bob, 1, 2, 3, two, Bob, 3, 2, 1, one, Bob. Okay, we don't want it to look like that. We want it to look like, so for uh, key in phone book, um, print phone book search name. No. Um, so if I said like for value in phone book search name, right? For value in phone book searched name, print value. Is that okay? Is that valid way of doing that? Sorry. Okay. Bob 123 to Bob 321. Search Bob. Okay. Now if I did to Bob 123 and then I did search Bob uh uh I don't think so. I don't think that's supposed to happen. I don't think that's supposed to happen. Oh, that is okay. Sure. Um. Oh God, there's still so many. Uh, why? 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 Okay, I'm wasting too much time. I would have been done with this if I didn't waste so much time. Okay, I'm gonna be back when we're praying. I'll be back. I'll be back. Blah, 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 blah. Walla tang bang sprang lang dang dang. Lang. Alright, so removing keys and values from a dictionary. Okay. It is naturally possible to also remove key value pairs from the dictionary. There are two ways to accomplish this. The first command is del. So if we did del delete, del stop David, then we're removing David and its value. Okay. David was the lecturer. We got rid of him. R.I.P. David. If you try to use del command to delete a key which doesn't exist, there will be an error. So before deleting a key, you should check if it's present in the dictionary so that it doesn't like break it, I guess. Yeah. So if Paul in staff, del staff print deleted, else print this person is not a staff member. Other ways to, so if it's true, then do this, else if it's false, then do this. If this gives a true value or if it gives a false value. Um, the other way to delete entries in the dictionary is the method pop. So staff pop David, print staff, deleted, deleted. Because it puts the value into a separate thing. Oh, but deleted gives you the key. I mean, the value doesn't give you the key. Because the pop also returns the value from the deleted entry. By default, pop will cause an error if you try to delete a key which is not present. It is possible to avoid this by giving the method a second argument which contains the default return value. This value is returned in case the key is not found in the dictionary. The special Python value none will work here. So staff pop Paul none. If deleted equals to none, um, if deleted equals to none, print this person is not a staff member. Else print deleted deleted. Wait. Okay, because the pops gives you the value. So if the value of what we deleted is none, then this person is not a staff member. Is that what we're doing? If you need to delete the contents of the entire dictionary, you can do it with a for loop like so. Yeah. When traversing a collection with a for loop, comments may not change while the loop is in progress. Luckily, there's a dictionary method just for this purpose. Staff.clear. Invert a dictionary. Write a function named invert dictionary dict. Oh, okay, cool. Dict is a thing which takes the dictionary as its argument. The dictionary should be inverted in places so that the values become keys and keys become values. Okay, that's kind of funny. So, huh. Mm, let's copy this. So, how would we do that? So, would we do like, okay, let's just keep it simple for now. For key and dictionary. Um, would I delete that entry and uh, would I have to delete that entry? The principles regarding lists covered here also hold for dictionaries as process arguments. If you have trouble complete this exercise, okay, let's see. When you pass a list as an argument into a function, you're passing a reference to that list. That means that the function can modify the list directly. Yeah, okay, I remember that. Um, so maybe we can do it like that. Like delete the whole thing, put it all into a new list, and then copy the dictionary to that new list. But that would change the reference of dictionary, wouldn't it? So then I would have to use a for loop to bring everything. Oh, old man Bob. Those muscles. Like, beat the shit out of me. Mm-hmm. Hmm? No, he went to shower. So I can say del key, right? Del staff key. Oh, but then okay. So there's a okay. There will be no reason why they would tell us how to delete a staff key before this, right? It seems like it's way too much of a coincidence. So I'll say new dict equals to this. And for key and dictionary, um, how would I do this? New dict key equals to uh, dictionary key. Then I would do dictionary dot clear. Then I would say dictionary. Oh wait, no, I would want to do this the other way around. Miskin if you let it. Miskin if you. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. Okay. Now I do this. I say for key in new dict, and I just do this the way like this. Am I? Is this right? I don't know. So boom. This is wrong because I am dumb. Um, what I mean to say here is I want dictionary equals to key. No, I want the key equals to the new dict key, right? Right, 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 right. Uh, first one, second, two, third, three, fourth. I wonder if anybody's answers like between me and another candidate's like answer. Yeah? Failed to create file? Bro, what did I do? I wonder if like other people's like if it, I'm a genius. Okay. Uh alright, so what is this asking us to do? Please write a function. I mean it's saying please. Please write a function which returns a new dictionary. This dictionary should have the numbers from 0 to 99 as its keys. The value attached to each key should be the number spelled out in words. Oh my god. Okay. Please don't formulate each spelled out number by hand. Figure out how you can use loops and dictionaries in your solution. Oh my god, it's so funny. Oh my god, bro. That's so funny, bro. Uh, oh my god, I would absolutely do that. I would absolutely do that. Okay, so um, So essentially, it just contains a dictionary of all of them, right? So let's say, um, does it return? It should return. It returns the dictionary. So if I say number number dict equals to this. So do I just say like it contains the numbers 2, like 11? How do I do this? Like, okay, 91, 92, 93, 94. Like that simply just uses 1, 2, 3, 4. Um, like 4 I in range 1 to 101. Now numdict numdict I would equals to something, right? Now we want to put it but what will we put as? Every one of them has to be different. So first of all, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then there's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then it's simply 21, 22, 21, 22, 23, 20. So 11, 11 to 19 is a bit weird. We'll have to input those by myself as well. Um, this is so interesting. I'm trying to think of how we could do it, but like, how would we append or how would we add that dash if it's greater than 20, right? Then we would have to add that dash if we're adding in that second number. And then how would I do that thing? Like, you know, would I convert I into an integer, into a string, and then splice it in half? Is that actually what I'm supposed to do? Because there's so much to this. Okay, but huh? But then for like 1 to 19, I would have to do that manually, right? Is there a way to convert a number into text and into spelt form Python? Num towards Python library? No, 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 no. We're not doing that. Perhaps the don't define the spelling first is a requirement to construct the word form dynamically. I can't avoid defining 0 to 9 and also 11 to 20, then it can work. Also 30, 40. 30, 40. Oh yeah, also 30, 40. 14 to 19, can we split down? Oh, you're using 3 dictionaries? Wait, that's smart. Instead, put the question, we'll tell you if you got it right. He's doing the thing. He's doing the same thing as me at all. Uh, not even defining pronunciation from zero to nine. Wow, seems like I'll need to open the picture. You'll have to define 0 to 9 pronunciations and handle special case of 10 to 19 and 20, 30, 40, 50. You can generalize 10 to 19 numbers too, obviously with some special cases. Oh, ultra conservative tip. Let's see who this guy is. L crowd. Oh god. I'm scared to click on this. Why did I click on it? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, great. Yeah, okay, it's not weird. Yeah. Who cares about image generation, man? Y'all freaking weirdos. Go away. I mean, I guess it's kind of interesting. I don't know. Anyway, okay, so therefore, what we need to do is we need to make 3 dictionaries. Is it actually 3 dictionaries? How would I do this? Okay, fine. So, but then if it's above 20, that's a lot of special cases, man. God, how? How did I do this? Hmm. Should I open? Let's open the live just in case someone is. I don't think anyone's gonna be here, but might as well. Do, 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 do. Rosati. See, we're hitting 2 hours. God damn it. Hello, guten Morgen, bro. What even is this? Why can't computers just use English? Cat emoji, moon emoji, something up with this emoji, moon, and Polish flag. Thank you, Tutori. When did you post this? It's so stupid, bro. It was 1:50 p.m. God, that was a while ago. Polska. Polska Gurom. Pinning the message. Guten Morgen, bro. What even is this? Why can't computers just use English? Cat emoji. Moon emoji. Moon. Ugh, God, bro. This is such a stupid problem. Okay. So simply, um, we'll make I kind of have an idea of what I'm supposed to do, but I also have no idea what I'm supposed to do. Come on. I can figure it out. Um, uh, so I can assign I for the numbers, but I can't assign. How am I supposed to assign like words for the keys? First of all, they have to be mutable, but it's okay because we can just add in stuff, right? If I turn I into a string, so if I said str I, and then I said um, if I is greater than 19, well, okay, let me give let me write down like the app is absolute like absolutely. I would have to write this down, right? So if I is equals to, it would be 10, 20, and then 21, 22, 23. So 20, 30, 40, those aren't special. No, they are special. So in the same way, 1, 2, 3, 4 is special. 10, 20, 30, 40 is also special. And 10 is super special. Um, so I would splice it and say if the first digit is 2, and then if the second digit is blah 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 blah, right? So first I need to just check, is it above 20 or is it below 20, right? So if I is below 20, below. So it's like from 19 to below. Okay. If I is below 20, then what do we do? Then if I is equals to 1, um, how would I reuse something, right? Figure out how you can use dictionaries and loops in your solution. I'm supposed to use dictionaries in my solution. Oh, okay. I see. Wait, this is cool. Okay. Hold on. So, if I made a dictionary for the special numbers, so like 1, 1 to 10, 1 to 9. This is so weird. Okay, hold on. Let's use the example numbers here as a way of understanding. So we have 2, we have 11, we have 45, we have 99, and we have 0. 0 is also part of it. So okay. So 2, 11, 45, 99, and 0. So we want to have a dictionary that will read through the first number and tell us if it's going to be 1 to 10, 11 to 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. That would be the first. No. So for the case of these latter ones, it would be if the first is like any number n, then second is 0. Then for 0 to 10 and 11 to 19, it would have to be special cases. So if it's one, okay, if it's 0 to 10, then it's uh just n. But if it was in the second case, then it would for the rest for the rest, like, so if I just said like rest, then it would be um what would it be? It would be like for the rest of the numbers, it would just be the upper one plus the second digit first one. Second dict. Then for the second digit would be the first dict, right? First dict at least 0 to 9. And then from 10 to 19, these are completely special. So we would have to have another dictionary for this. So for these numbers, I would have to do their own, like absolutely literally just 10, 11, because there's no other times these numbers appear. Okay, so oh god, I'm literally like, I'm heating up. This is so funny. Helsinki. Helsinki. So first we'll call it the first D, second D, third D. Now for the range of 0 to 9, for I, let's not do that. Let's just for getting the numbers in. So would I have to make a list? Okay, 0 to 9. So for I in 0, for I in range 0 and 10, uh, first D, how would I input the letters? I'll have to do that manually. Yes, it's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I would obviously have to do this manually. So first D, um, okay, first D, key would be I, and equals to, okay, now how would this go? So if I is equals to 1, and then I would have to repeat this 9 times, I think so. So 1. So then this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4, this will be 5, this will be 6, oops, this will be 7, this will be 8, this will be 9. 2, 3, 4. I don't know how else you would do this. 5, oi, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6 even, 6 even, 9. Okay, there you go. Yep. So 1, 2, 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2, 3 goes to 3, 4 goes to 4, 5 goes to 5, 6 goes to 6. Okay, cool. Now let's do that same thing for these numbers. And yeah. So if it's above 20 and the second digit is 0, then do this list, right? I think that would make sense. So anyway, I mean, if we're just initializing the dictionaries at first. So for I in, this wouldn't even be for I in range. This is literally just I have to do this. Or maybe I have to make a list and then I'll do it. So second list equals to, let's put in this stuff. For I in second list, um, and we'll make it like a j equals to 0 for a second. So then we'll say, would it be j? Would it be j? Would it be j? Would it be And I forgot to write is so for I in second list, would we start from 0? Let's start from 0, right? Yeah, that's 0, 1, 2. So for I in second list, we would have to do um, sec second d I equals to um, second dj equals to I, and then I would have to do j plus equals to 1. Okay, that should be it. Oh wait, I'm dumb. I could have done that with this. Oh god damn it, I'm so stupid. Ah god, I'm so stupid. Okay, fine. I'm so stupid, bro. Okay, so let's say first list equals to what? It'll all be strings, right? So one starts from 0. I could have been done with this if I just why am I doing this? You are so useless. Okay, just kidding. Okay. I first list first D. Um, okay, so we would have to use. Okay, so let's just do A, B, C are much easier to follow along. Let's make this one B. It's the first one. So A is equals to 0. First the A is equals to I, and we will have to do A plus 1. A plus equals to 1. Perfect. And then the last list, third third list equals to, okay, I actually have to turn these into the words. I'm very silly. Actually, wait. Oh, wait. Hold on. Okay, this is okay, but the I part is wrong. In this first list, because I will be 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. Over here, I will be 20, 30, 40. So I actually has to be in here. Yes, I needs to be in there. Okay, and then what does J need to be? J needs to be, B needs to be a list of the spellings, and it needs to go from like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 will know it's 20, 3 will know it's 30, 4 will know it's 40. Um, cause such a bad question, man. Okay, but I feel good after I do it. I guess. I hope. Um, um, okay, so that's better. 20, 30, 40, 50, and spelled. Yeah. Okay, now the third list works the same way. Um, so, uh, should this contain 10? No, because 20 appears many times, but 10 does not appear again. Can I just say, like, it's equals to 10 to, like this? Oh my god, I could have said that. It's like skipping by 10. Can I do that? My list equals to list range. Mm, okay. Print my list. So it would make 20, 30, 40 exactly the way I wanted to using this. Okay, let's just, I'll do that. Notice how it says list, so the function turns the data type into a list. Range 20, 110. 20, 110 produces numbers. And so I want to convert these numbers into the list. there'll be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There'll be 7. And over here it's 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, good. This one, third list, this is from, so this will be list range. It starts from the number that I want, which is 10. Ends the number I don't want, which is 12, by step 1. So this should be fine. And so then I say, third spelt equals to, okay. Why did I say 12? Okay, there you go. Now I would have to do for I in third list. For I in third list, I can just follow whatever this one follows, I'm pretty sure. So for I in third list, third D I, so third D10, no, third D10, which is the first item, will equals to third spelt B, which would be 0, which would be 10, and so on. Okay, good. Good, good, good. Okay, now just to check, I want to just quickly print out the first D, second D, and third D. Print first D, print second D, print third. It's gonna be a lot of numbers in here. Okay, so oops, this is because I did not define what B was here, and I need to also define C over here. Okay, I think that should be good. Uh-oh, okay, so let's see this. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 10 is 18, 11 is 18. Okay, so maybe that. It's the third D, which is the only problem, right? So, no, that does not fix it. So we are first of all, I'm dumb. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, nice. Good, 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 good. So now the dictionaries are set. Now I need to do the business. I'm watching your stream. Why you not try? Why you try not to laugh? Um, kill me, bro. Wait, who is talking on my stream, dog? Long time L, long time no see. Who is silly Vaunt? Why is Donkey Kong called Donkey Kong if he's not a donkey but a monkey? Hear me out. Doritos dipped in chocolate pudding. People who read books just want attention. Crazy takes, high takes. What am I reading, bro? What am I reading? Uh, is everyone gone or is people still watching? I don't know. Man, so stupid. I need to have like notifications when people message me because I have no idea. Who is silly Zont? Is this the guy who did Rocket League stuff? Who are you? Long time no see. Channel activity. Wait, no, he didn't say long time no see. I'm sorry. Wait, no, he did. What? Who are you, mister? You are not. What do you mean long time no see? It's so stupid, bro. Who is silly Zont? I'm sorry, I don't recognize. I mean, like, I don't check the chat for a reason. It's because I want to get this shit done, bro. I don't want to sit here for another 20 minutes. It's so annoying. I want to finish this so bad. Okay, let's full screen this. I don't think I need that other thing anymore. Does this cover the whole screen? More or less? Okay, there you go. So how will I do this? Um, so the dictionaries are set up. Now I need to check. Now I just go from 0 to 99, right? So for I in range 0 to 100, I'll turn I into a string. So string I, and then I'll check three things. If it's greater than 20, no. I have no idea. If it's greater than 20, and if it has two digits, how am I doing this? Okay, I wrote it down more or less here. For the rest of okay, so for these numbers, I will just use first and second zero. For the rest of the numbers, I'll use second digit plus second digit first digit. Okay, let's just follow what I wrote here because maybe I was paying attention more. So for numbers which has any digit first but second digit zero. So it has to be below. It has to be above above 19, or maybe we could just say above 10. No, but then it would consider 10 one of them, and I don't want it to do that. So above 15 is okay, right? So if I I'm turning it into a string, aren't I? If I is above 15, let's just do 19. If I is above 19, okay, then string I. So what if I do this? Let's say let's say j is j used here? No. So if j is equals to string of I. Okay. So okay. So now if it's above 19, now we have two cases. One, if it's the rest of the numbers, and another if it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So if j, how do I slice this? Um, would it simply just be j1? Oh man, this guy's cracked up. So if j1, which would be the second digit, if that is equals to 0, then I want to go ahead and do I even need to do this? Actually, do I even need to do this? Because in the dictionary, it already knows it as 10, 20, 30, 40. I'm confusing myself here. Forgot it. Second digit is n. I'm 0. So then I want to. Okay. Now, so now I know for sure. Okay, I can just check. Print I. Uh, if I just say dictive numbers, it should give me what I want, right? Give me a eh? What? 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 Why is it not doing for I in range 0 to 100? J is equals to string of I is greater than 19, and if J1, shouldn't can I just do I1? Do I need to convert it to a string? I1 wouldn't work. There's no way I1 would work. Okay, so if J1 is equals to 1, print I. Okay, I'm so confused. Why is it not working? Um, okay, let's put that. Yeah, okay. What are we doing now? So it is going all the way up from 0 to 99. If I is greater than 19, then check if j1 is 0. Okay, so let's see. Print j now. I don't think j has any values. Yeah, okay. So, oh, oops. Move j down here. Okay. Then what's the issue? Okay, maybe I'm splicing it or whatever wrong. So in Python, how do I check the second, like, how do I check what? Oh wait, is it because I put in a number? Sorry. Okay, I get it. Do I have to turn this into a string? Let's turn this line into a comment. Sorry, let's turn this line into a comment as well. Yes, okay, good, sweet, okay, very nice, nice. Okay, so now we know that we're getting the proper numbers here. And so for those numbers, what do we want to do to them? We want to put them, or we want to sift them through the second list, right? So then um, I'm gonna say, I mean, the whole point of this last loop is to put in all the numbers from 0 to 100 into this last final dictionary. This dictionary that we're calling numdict, right? So we're gonna say that numdict I is equals to, okay, is equals to second d second d I. Would it be second di? Because then it would be, let's say the first number is 20. First number is 20, then it's gonna go here and see what is 20 and what is going to be the thing of that, which is this. Okay, so now let's print let's print numdict. Yes, okay, we're getting there. Okay, good. So now, okay, now else, I can use the else here. um for this else number, I had to check what the, for the first digit I would have to use the second dictionary, and for the second digit I would have to use the first dictionary. So um so J0 numdict I equals to this plus this. No. This is so hard. Come on. It's so hard. Uh, Poland flag. Ugh, god damn it. Malik just said L. Wonder what Faizan Salihin is. I just said my full name. Great, great. Just wonderful. Just wonderful. Just do anything on this stupid thing. Stupid thing. Okay, what did you ping me as? Um, wow, looks like very ancient city. Lol, I don't know about ancient. Stations are at least 100 years old. 100 years almost ancient. Two Gaza sisters win Earth Prize for turning war waste into bricks. No reaction to this? Ah, ah, ah. Nice. Respect for doing that while coming out of Gaza. Amyo Ganshin Tisi. Ahai. Nowadays I am listening country songs because I am planning to go to my country. Ha ha ha. The number is higher than this. I've listened to 14,000 songs. How do you check that? Then I will 50 times more. Ha ha ha. Can I check on like Spotify tracker? Is that like songs that you've listened to like so far, or like I'm confused. Top tracks, top artists, previous rankings, your own charts. Top artists, top top tracks. DJ Bukem is the only artist. Okay, damn. 2024 it was Hikaru. Oh my god. 2024 was this before I met her? Yeah, this was last year. The year before I met her. It was Hikaru Utada, Shina Ringo, The Pillows. I don't know how to pronounce that. Sara Malakara, Tokyo Incidents. Tokyo Incidents. Solar Fields. Damn, I was listening to Solar Fields back then as well. Lamp. Yuruma Ganaria Soa. Oh my god, there's so many Japanese artists, man. Wow. Trocadero. Interesting. 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 Is there a way to check on like another website? Listening time play counts. Shopify Plus need for listen count. I'm gonna relax, relax, relax. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. That is so bullshit. Okay. This is why I never do this stuff. Like, because there's always some bullshit involved. Spotify tracks plus play counts. Okay. I'm just giving my Spotify information to everybody. Just take it. Just take it. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. Oh man. Is Volt FM safe? Oh god, this does not look safe at all. at all, at all. um, Trackify, Obscurify, Icebergify, Spotify Pie, Receptify. What is Receptify? Good one. Insults your music taste based on your listening habits. It's pretty funny. A bunch of greedy apps who made the website OpenStats.fm immediately gets popped with a go upgrade to Pro with 18 euros. Oh, but here it's actually 5 euros, and then some other ones 24 euro. We're made out of gold, and they can just mine it off of us. Man, nuclear synthesized orb is hissed. Hissed. I mean, yeah, I absolutely agree. Music counts. Find and discover. Yeah, okay, music counts. Okay, log in with my Spotify. Can I log in with my Spotify? If I can't log in with myself, okay, that's it. I'm logging in with Volt FM. I have complete, complete uh trust in Volt FM. Yeah, absolutely. Let's go Volt FM. Yep. Yep. Upgrade to Pro, yeah, yeah, woo, yeah. Demo. Wow, thank you. My last 50 played songs. Count 50. God damn. Amazing. Amazing. That's just awesome. NPR core give me multiple viruses. Oh, for me, Rick is the best. I have made a free stat visualizer for your extended. You just have to put your JSON files in. It's all done in your browser. You usually have to pay for this, but not here. I'm sorry. I'm sure you're a great guy. I just don't care. Rich.fm. Do I trust you? Cool looking website. Join our community Discord? Okay, there you go. I believe you. You won. You've won me over. Control Spotify on all my devices. Go. Do it. Do it. Okay. Chill, Nikki. Let's see. Profile visibility, non-public. I'll make it public. I hate being private about anything. Um, feature unlocked. Okay. Agree to terms of service. Please tell me this is available for me to see. Um, please. I will cry. I will cry. I will cry. Don't tell me it's actually not here. Oh my god, there's no way. There's no way. Oh my god, there's no way. All time. It does actually not tell me. Lifetime access pay. Once you use this forever. Extended reports. Roast time ranges, founding member status, and every future feature included. Oh, fine, but like, how do I check my thing? Oh, my last song that I listened to was called Offline Forever. Okay, sorry. Uh, my most listened to track ever was no, that's not true. Okay, oh, okay, it's only measuring from when I started using it. Okay, fine, sure. Oh, my most listened to track was Psychic. Oh, that's cool actually. That's a good song. I'm glad that's my most played. Yeah. Cosmogony, yeah. Turn Back, absolutely. Agitations Tropicals, yeah. These are all really good ones. I don't know about Buddy Holly or Red Rum. Oh dear. Okay. Well, I just give my thingy some viruses. No, no problem. Let's just like unauthorized like three of these before it's too late. Unless it's already too late. It's probably too late. It's okay. It's already too late. Too late. It's already too late. It's gonna ask me to log in. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, dear. Oh dear, dear, da, dear, dear, da, dear, dear, da, dear, dear, da, dear, da, dear, dear, da, dear, 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 dear. Dear, dear, da, dear, 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 da, dear, dear, da, how do I do this? Settings. Um, Social. People can see the playlist you have added to your profile. On your profile, people can see who's following you and who you're following. Oh, you can change that. Oh, people can't see who I'm following? Oh shit! I thought they always knew who. Oh no. Share my listening activity with followers on desktop. Why specifically on desktop? Okay. When did I turn that off? I thought. Okay. Now I'm turning that on. Absolutely. I'm letting everybody know exactly what I'm doing. Sorry, I need to. I can't function otherwise. It's kind of weird. Anyways, let's see. Authorized. Manage apps. There you go. I think that might be the one. So, what the hell is FRZR offline music baby? Okay, remove access. Volt FM remove access. Spotlight was really cool, honestly. What is FRZR? I think I remember, or maybe I don't remember. Offline freezer. Refreezer? Oh, freezer. Oh, I mean, might as well just turn that off then. I closed already. Too late. Okay, let's actually finish this, please. Please, 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 please. It's 3 hours. It's 3 hours. Okay, okay, okay. So now, for all the other numbers, 21, 22, 23, 24, let's just think about the numbers 21, 22, 23, 24. So let's just 21, 22, 23. So there's two things I need to check. One is 21. First is the first thing, 20, and then add in the second thing. So uh, J0, that is going to be the number 2, right? If that's the number 2, then I'm going to say um, for the number 2, if I move the number 2 over here, the number 2 will be 40. And that's also a string, don't get me wrong. So that even that won't work. So then if I turn this back into an int plus 10, plus 10, would it be plus 10? Mm, the number is 2. And we can do times 10. Times 10 would be it. Yeah. So times 10. So now it's going to be 20, right? So now this number is 20. And so it could be 30, 40, 50. And so then I would say, yeah, I would say the exact same thing here. So numdict I. Okay, so the first number we're gonna get is 21. So 21, I is gonna equal to 21. So I is equals to 21. Then we're gonna say numdict I. We don't want it to turn into an integer, by the way. We want to keep it as a string. Oh god, this is so annoying. Can I say string off this whole thing? I can't. Okay. Oh my god, that's so funny, Doug. Okay. Oh, I can't. Why did I not have to do that before? Okay. Weird. Why that's happening? Is it because it's a string? Okay, and then I'm gonna say, because this is a string, which is the number. Maybe we don't actually have to turn it into a string. Maybe I'm being dumb. I think I'm being dumb. Yeah. Because this is going to be the first number, which is 20, 21, 22, like stuff like that. So it would be 2 times 10, which is 20. 20 will be 20. 20 will be second D. There you go. It would just be this. Why is it asking for a double equals? I don't understand. Why are we doing it like that? Hello? No? Okay, good. So now this should also be just that. And then I'm gonna say right after that, numdict. Could I do this on the same line? What's the point? Do I need to? I can do it on the same line. I can do it on the same line by just simply saying plus, but will plus be okay? Because it is a string. Uh, uh, can I try doing like f comma like that? And so I can turn this whole thing into this, and then this, then this, and then in this one we're gonna have to take the second digit and place it to the first dictionary. So first D uh J2 J1. Oh please, for the love of God, work. Just work. God, I will be so happy if you just work. I will be so happy. Print numdex. This work, come on. Uh, you have a problem by saying first D J1. Key error is 1. Um, the second part of J is the letter 1, 2, or 3. একটা পার্ট শেষ করতেই হবে, সো কি করব? Thanks for the reminder. God damn, this is so hard. Okay. Huh? Nasir? No, because আমার মাথায় সমস্যা আছে. Uh, come on, I don't understand. Why doesn't this work? Come on. Okay, fine. Okay, okay. What if I just did this? Then it should just tell me 10, 20, 30, 40, whatever, right? Right? I think so. I think so. You think so? I think so. Ugh, God. Okay, 21, 20, 22, 20, 23, 20, 24, 20. Yes, it should be 20. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. What if I said 20 brr, right? Like 20, 20 lol. Can we just do that? 20 lol, 20, 20 lol, 20 lol. Okay, okay, it goes all the way to 20 lol, 30. 30 lol, 50 lol, 50 lol, 70 lol, 90 lol. Okay, 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 good, good, good. That's like a lot of the numbers done. Okay, so this is good. This is good progress. Um, so okay, it is first D for sure. And what we want to put into first D, okay, I think I'm thinking about this wrong is because this is actually different to this. Where over here we have two lists. So um, okay, so should we just do this the other way? I think we should. So this is first spelled, right? First spelled. And there's first list, which is just simply a list range. What is it? So it starts from 0 and ends at 9, so 10, right? Yes, perfect. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Okay. So okay, now will it work? J1. Bro, what is the issue? What am I doing here that's not working here? Uh, is it because? Oh wait. Ah, it's because J is an int. It's because J is a string. It's because it's a string. So we have to turn this into a boom. Boom. Yes. What? Uh-oh. Okay. The problem here is I just need to um let's turn this into I and turn this into first uh first spelt first spelt A. Okay. Okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go, baby. Here we go. All right. Um, this is one. This is two. This is three. This is four. I actually did not do the first one. I should probably have done that, but it's okay because actually I was doing. Okay, I'm done with like the main thing, right? Where it's like above 20. Now I do below 20. Okay. So, oh my God, I'm actually programming. I just realized like this is like literally a program. Okay. So now it's below 20, right? So look at this. Just I just want you to feast your eyes upon this on this line. Like I gotta post this on like the freaking on the Discord, bro. Oh my days, bro. What the hell? I mean, like I don't think like if you told me like 2 weeks ago that I'd be writing something like this, man. Like no, I think I would be like shut your trap, boy. Shut your trap, boy. Oh my God. We got a square bracket, then a circle bracket, then a square bracket, then a curly bracket. In fact, let me put part inside it. Wait, let's see. So it's curly bracket, then square bracket, then circle bracket, then square bracket, then the heart emoji. Then there you go. Perfect. Perfect. Oh my God, bro. I love this emoji so much, bro. God damn it, it's so funny. Yeah, it's literally that. It's literally that, bro. Bro, Aqua sounds so like young, like Loki. I thought he was like a lot older than he sounded. He sounds like literally sounds like it's I don't know. It's really young. It's pretty funny. Okay, come on. Home stretch, home stretch. Now we know this is for I that is less than 19. Okay. Now let's talk about the i's which are above 9, right? So if so I mean you can just do Aleph, right? If I is going to be greater than 9. So if it's going to be greater than 9, then um, if it's going to be greater than 9, then we're simply going to do the same. No, in this case, we don't even need to do it, right? We can just do the whole thing. So we can just say that oh, what do we say? We say num dict I is equals to third di. Maybe, maybe I'm onto something here. All right, let's try it again. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 22. Okay, nice. Yep, that's perfect. Okay, good. That's a lot easier than I expected. Okay. And then finally we can do else, which is going to be numbers which are below it. And this should also be the case where I can do this. Oh my god, this is actually a lot easier than I expected. That would be first. Yep, there you go. There you have it. So then we can say return numdict, and this should be it. Should be it. Should be it. Um, so we're turning numbers into what is outputted out of dict of numbers. So numbers turns into the dictionary, and if I input 2, then it should be exactly what I need. 2, 11, 45, 99. Ah, man. God damn. God, giggity damn. Oh my god. Just give it to me, bro. Just give it to me. Oh my god. Can I get like a can I get like a pat on my back, bro? God damn, bro. Alright. 13. 13 would be let me just do it to him. Oh my god. Oy oy oy. Hop on the stream and watch me try to solve this. What's the function for? There are 4 functions here. Wait, no, there's no functions. Is there any functions? Uh, no, those are all dictionaries. There are no functions. Just dictionary. Oh, it is. Okay, wait. the whole thingy was I. You have my hop on stream. Do you still have my YouTube? Oh my god. Okay, wait. Maybe I can record it. 1 second. Bro, that was one line out of the entire 40. Was it? How many lines was this? Can I record it without my computer just absolutely just exploding? I don't know. So, okay, Windows Shift S. There you go. Oh, or maybe I could just record on OBS. OBS does that. Okay, I think I'm gonna end stream here. Okay, actually, maybe will I? Okay, let's just record. Okay, I don't know if this is recording. I'm recording and streaming at the same time. Holy peak. Um, so how do I explain this? The program is essentially I can show it to you here. The program is essentially um, you freaking poop and caca. There you go. The program is you have to make a dictionary which essentially contains all the numbers from 0 to 99 with its basic like numerical form and its spelt out form, so that when you say print numbers, it'll give you the number 2, and if you print like numbers 99, it'll give you 99. So that was the whole thing. And so the difficulty was like, dude, I can't explain it. I can't explain it. It's too long, dude. It will take like five minutes to explain. Wait, no. Wait. Um, this is how I can do it, right? There. Maybe you can try to understand it. The hard part was doing this without just using one big dictionary to say one is one, two is two, and so on. But actually using sub-dictionaries to say, for example, for dictionary 3 is 3 and for dictionary 20 is 20. So if you asked it what 23 was, they would use the two dictionaries to get 23 is 23. Wait, does that have my my name there? Okay, no, it doesn't. Okay. Oh my god, bro. Best hour and a half of my life. Okay. Mm, are these easy or are these harder? um, Wait, this seems pretty easy. Whoa. At this point in the course, you can choose to participate in a research study related to learning programming. Participation is voluntary, and individual participants cannot be identified. You can freely quit the experiment. Start to begin the study. Yum, 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 yum. Python 3 with lists, loops, conditionals, and functions. Thank you for taking part in the study. We are researchers who are trying to improve the teaching and learning of this program. This study has 4 parts. It will take 50 minutes. Oh, okay, no thanks. Please do the parts in order and answer the questions to the best of your ability without any outside help. You can stop working on a problem after you work on it for about 5 minutes without solving it. If you have questions about the study, please email Dr. Barbara Erickson. The 4 parts are pre-survey, questions about your experience, introduction, materials to get familiar with the types of problems in the study, practice problems, post-test problems. Click on the link at the end of the page to get to the next part. B3PT. This looks cool. This looks like that one thingy. Everybody's gone to the movies, but I'm alone again. Bum, 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 bum. Everyone's gone to the movies, but I'm alone again. I gone to the Fakram is like intensely just like trying to figure this shit out. It's so funny, bruh. To be honest, like it is pretty simple. Like it's not anything really that complicated, but eh, let me have this, bro. This is awesome. Here's my third guy, lavender, the sunflower dust. Oh my god, that's so good. It's so good. The whole time I thought I was becoming stronger. I was withering myself into something shell. And now I'm facing the circumstances of my creation, and rebel who dared to feel within still crushing crevices of indiscernible concrete is flesh. Couldn't feel herself, but only her reflections. This is really cool, but I have no idea what it means. Sorry, buddy. This is what 20 words. Oh my god, that's funny. This is what $20 worth of groceries gets you in 2026. You will. Whoa. We had to be done there. Man, I wish I could post my code here. It's like, hey guys, look at my child. Uh, okay. Using dictionaries for structured data. Dictionaries are very useful for structuring data. The following code will create a dictionary which contains some personal data. Person equals to name. Whoa. What are you doing? Oh, whoa. You're creating a dictionary with stuff inside it? Okay, we've never done that like that. So name, Python, height, 154, weight, 61, age, 44. So you're saying, these are some of the keys, and these are some things. Okay, do all the keys need to be of the same data type? By the way, just want to ask. In a dictionary in Python, do all the keys need to be the same data structure? No, they don't. You can mix. Uh, yeah, but you can't have lists or dictionaries to be the thing because both of them are mutable. Hashtag true. Okay. So yeah. Um, this means that we can have a person named Python whose height is 154, weight 61, age 44. The same information could just as well be stored in variables. The advantage is that it's a collection. It collects related data under one variable, so it's easy to access. The same advantages offered by a list. Yes, you could also do this in a list format. With lists, programmer will have to remember what is stored at each index in the list. There's nothing to indicate that person 2 contains the weight and person 3 contains the person. Ah, okay, the age of the person. So the problem with this with the dictionary is avoided because each bit of data is accessed through a named key. So now each of these has like this is name, this is height, this is weight, this is age, right? Assigned by this thing. Okay, that's cool. And so now we have multiple people using the same format. We can access their data in the following. So people is person one. Okay, so we can say person one, person two, person three in the list people. For person and people, person name. Okay, yeah. So print out the what is whatever is the value stored in the person's name. Person name. Person name. For person, so that's person one, person two, person three. And then whatever is stored in the name key. So that would be blah 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 blah. So that would be Pippa, Peter, and Pedro. And then combined height is 0. So for person and people, combined height is plus. Yeah, okay. And then we lend people. Okay, that's cute. Okay, cool, dude. Average height is this. This is cool. So this is literally like data stuff. Okay, dude. Wow, that's neat. That's neat. That's neat. That's neat. Okay. Okay, you've won me over with this. You've won me over. Okay, what is the stream seeing? Your stream is seeing some bullshit. That's what it's seeing. Okay, here we go. So, what are we doing? We're doing, we're going here, we're going here, 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 here. Okay, so we're gonna go and we're just gonna put in this stuff. Gone with the Python. Victory Python, 2017, 116. Pythons on a plane, Rennie Python. I love these names, man. At least they're funny, yeah. Okay, so which adds the new movie object into movie database, right? So add movie function, database, gone with the Python, Victor Python, and blah blah blah. And it's gonna be called name, director, year, runtime. So this is name, this is director, year, that's runtime. Why is this database thing here? What do we want to do with that? That is just a function. Okay, fine. So we're gonna say def add movie. Bro. Hello. What's going on? Okay. So I'm just gonna put in everything here. There you go. Now we add a new movie object into the thingy. So so we'll just do what they did here. So we'll say um the database is a list and each movie object in the list is a dictionary. Print the database, which contains two lists of movies now. So the database is a list. Yes. And in each list, we have to append. How? Sorry, I keep on forgetting. people. So we want to add these dictionaries. Is it dictionaries or are all of these in one dictionary? No, these are separate dictionaries. Yeah. So we'll say, okay, we'll say movie equals to, um, there we go. So, okay, so name, and then that will be the name, correct? Then will I just put a comma? Director, and then I'll just put the director, year, and then put the year. Um, then I will put runtime, and then I will put runtime. Okay, so movie will be that, and then we will simply append database dot append movie. Well, it wouldn't be append. It's actually not append. It's it's not append. We're not adding it. We're removing everything that was in database, and we're putting it there. No, 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 no. I'm being dumb. No, it is appending. Sorry, because you're only printing it once. So is this enough? Yep, that looks good. That looks very good. I hope there's. Yes. Okay. So close, so close. So close, so close. Please, please, please. Oh my god, oh my god, I actually completed everything in one day. Boo, I did it. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Please write a movie. Please write a function. So please write a function named find movies. Okay, so we already have the database with everything that we want. Perfect. Then we're gonna write a function called find movies, which processes the movie database that we created in the thing. The function should formulate a new list which contains only the movies whose title includes the word search for. Capitalization is irrelevant. The search for Anna should return a list that contains both Anaconda and Management. What? Uh, well, Anaconda. Sorry, Anna. Anna is in the thing. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay. Um, whose title includes the word searched for. Right. Okay. So I would okay first def my movies. Um, and we'll say was it database? We'll just call it data. Data, which is going to be a list, and name search term. Search term is going to be a string. J. Will I get burnt out if I keep on doing something like this? Maybe. but it is really fun. Oh my god, I'm so cooked, bro. It's 5:24. Yeah. Okay. Now, what we need to do is we want to search the name. So, yeah. So, for item in data, if um, search term is in, if search term in item, because each item is a dictionary, so item name, then then what? You want to return something? No. It appends it to a new list. Okay. So search list. So then append. Okay, sorry. Search list dot append. I wonder if we can make methods. Search list dot append. Um. Uh. Item name. Okay. So if I searched up Python, you're getting Gone with Python. Oh, you want everything. Oh, you want everything. You don't just want it, you want everything about it. Okay. Okay. I wonder if this is gonna turn out well. I'm not exactly sure. Find movies. Oh, it's called Find Movies. Find movies. Name. Name. Item name is not working. Why not? Does it need to? Ah, okay. There you go. None. Do I need to return the list? I'm sorry. Return search list. Yes. Okay, it's empty. Okay. So it that okay, that does not work. What I was trying to do does not work. Because item name is going to be a thing. Item. Why is that not working? For person in people. For item in data. Yes. Now it's going from dictionary to dictionary. And I said item name. If search term in item name, then append. Else continue. I don't need to say continue. I don't think so. Append the item. Why doesn't that work? I'm confused. I could do some debugging, I guess, some print statement debugging. Um, okay, let's do that. So that therefore, what would I need to do? First, I need to just start find movies. Okay, let's just copy this. increase this, and just remove this line. And I need to do a few things. First, I need to print what is this exactly, right? And I also want to search what is the search term, search term. Okay, now that I have that, now it might make it a bit easier. And also we'll also just print the search list just in case it wants to work now. Okay, so the first movie is Gone with Python. Okay, this is because this is because okay, I understand. So it's because it's capital P or lowercase p, isn't it? So if I wrote capital P, would that work? I think it would. Yeah, it does. Okay, fine. So how do I make it so that lowercase p also works? So essentially, we would have to turn the item name into lowercase, right? So how do I turn the item name into lowercase? Whatever that string is. How to turn string into all lowercase? Um, dot lower. So that would be dot lower. If search term in item would that just how do I use dot lower then? Text dot lower. Um, how do I do that? Item name dot lower. Do I just put dot lower there? Okay, how do we feel about this? Hey, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so now I want to remove this. Oh no, this is fine actually. Just want to put return here. Um, and I can remove this, and I can remove all of this. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right, so that's the entirety of part section 3. Tomorrow we're going to be doing tuples. I'm not even going to click on that. I'm good. Um, yeah, I remember the stuff that I left in part 3. I'm not the perfect student as I was in part 1 and 2, unfortunately. So, yeah, that's it for today. All right, see you guys tomorrow, maybe if I live tomorrow. That is 4 hours. 4 hours.